Hello everyone, welcome to Study Cloud. In this video, I will bring to you the current affairs for the 2nd of June in Daily Current Affairs series. So let's start the video. Today we have these important questions. The first question is, National Program for the Youth titled Responsible Artificial Intelligence for Youth has been launched by which ministry? This program has been launched by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, which is headed by Ravi Shankar Prasad. Our Minister for the Electronics and Information Technology is Ravi Shankar Prasad. So basically, this program is to aim to equip students with the skill sets and mindsets required for artificial intelligence readiness. The next question we have, when is World Milk Day celebrated? The World Milk Day is celebrated on 1st of June, and this year the theme was the 20th anniversary of World Milk Day. The 20th anniversary of World Milk Day, 1st of June. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched which video blogging competition to mark International Yoga Day? It was My Life, My Yoga. It was My Life, My Yoga. It was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, FSSAI. He is Arun Singhal. Now Arun Singhal is appointed as the CEO of FSSAI. Digital Summit on Exports was recently organized by which association of India? It was organized by Confederation of Indian Industry, whose chairman is Uday Kotak. He is recently appointed as the chairman of Confederation of Indian Industry, Uday Kotak. So, Digital Summits on Exports was recently organized by Confederation of Indian Industry. Which among the following companies has launched an app called Collab for creating short music videos? It was launched by Facebook. And also remember, Facebook has started several schemes and several campaigns like I for India campaign, We Think Digital campaign. Facebook has also started Pragati initiative for women entrepreneurship. Who has been roped in by the United Nations Children's Fund UNICEF to spread awareness about menstrual hygiene? She is Manushi Chillar. Manushi Chillar is appointed by the UNICEF to spread awareness about the menstrual hygiene. And also remember, World Menstrual Hygiene Day is celebrated on 28th of May. 28th of May. Which airlines has received approval for conducting drone trials from aviation regulator DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, which is headed by our Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, the Minister for Civil Aviation. This airline is SpiceJet. Now SpiceJet got the approval of DGCA to conduct the drone trials. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has announced inclusion of how many additional minor forest produce items in minimum support price list? It is of 23. Now 23 minor forest produce items in minimum support price has been announced by Ministry of Tribal Affairs, whose minister is Arjun Munda, whose constituency is Khunti, Jharkhand. Our Minister for the Tribal Affairs is Arjun Munda. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, IBBI, has reconstituted its advisory committee on service providers under whose chairmanship? This committee is working under the chairmanship of Mohan Das Pai. Mohan Das Pai is the chairman of this committee. The dredging methodology of which IIT institution has helped Odisha's Chilka Lake to triple Irrawaddy dolphin population? This is IIT Madras. IIT Madras has helped Odisha to triple the population of Irrawaddy dolphin. Dredging involves excavating the materials from the bottom, removing this loosened material to the dredge vessel and ultimately transporting it to the placement area. This whole process is called dredging. And after this, the enhancement of fishery resources and the increase of population of Irrawaddy dolphin promoted ecotourism, which immensely benefited the local fishers. So our answer is IIT Madras for the dredging methodology which helped the Odisha to triple the population of Irrawaddy dolphins. Which state government has signed a memorandum of understanding with industry association to create 10 lakh jobs for migrants? It was signed by Uttar Pradesh government, where the CM is Yogi Adityanath, who has taken over the charge as secretary in the Ministry of Steel. He is Pradeep Kumar Tripathi. Now Pradeep Kumar Tripathi is taken as the charge of secretary in the Ministry of Steel. And also remember, recently Dilip Ummen became the new president of Indian Steel Association. Indian Steel Association president is Dilip Ummen, who will take over as the 15th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command. He is Manoj Pandey. Manoj Pandey is taken as the charge of Commander-in-Chief in the Andaman and Nicobar Command. Wajid Khan, who passed away recently, was a renowned music director. Wajid Khan, he passed away. A cyclonic storm, Nisarg, has developed off the eastern coast of India. Which country has proposed the name Nisarg? This name was proposed by the Bangladesh. And let's have a look on this chart. Nisarg was developed by Bangladesh. This name was given by Bangladesh. Amphan cyclone, the name Amphan was given by Thailand. Fani was given by Bangladesh. Vayu, this name was given by India. Hikka, this was given by Maldives. Kayar was given by Myanmar. And Maha or Hudhud, this cyclone, this name was given by Oman. Whereas Titli or Bulbul, the name of this cyclone was given by Pakistan. So it was the recent cyclone which was named by these different countries. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched which technology platform to provide one-stop solution to MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises? This is Champion. This portal is Champions Portal, which is launched for the MSMEs, our small hands to make you large. This is Champions Portal. Which station will have India's first stainless steel foot-over bridge by the end of 2020? This will be available on Bhayandar Station, which is in Maharashtra. So it was the current affairs for the 2nd of June, and thanks for watching and keep supporting Study Cloud.